Ah! Lord Bowser.
Just kind of 1 foot in the grave already.
I just now terribly sorry to keep you waiting, my lord.
I bet you are, Kammy Koopa. Now, out with it. Why have you called me here?
Easy, Governor. Don't be so patient with your poor servant. It's my displeasure to report that Mario, that scum, is off to a town called Rogueport.
She does that kind of thing where she, like, coughs for way too long. It makes everyone uncomfortable.
Oh, yeah. Here, read your line and I'll do it, like...
Am I Mario's babysitter? I don't care what he's doing. Are you going to call me every time?